Hi there. So this just came in the mail and I'm super excited and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here we go. This is my Karolina Kubikowska stuff, my order that came from them, and it came in this nicely wrapped package. I love this little sticker that she's got on here that says it's Karolina's art. Oh, you can't see that. There, that. I already took it out of the package because it was crazy, but I have not. So now it's wrapped all up in cardboard. I might have to adjust my camera again. Hold on a second. Okay, hopefully that's better. So let me, sorry about that for anybody that doesn't like noises. I know sometimes those are triggering for people. Okay. So let's see. Holy moly. Yeah, this is like ridiculously well packaged. We got bubble wrap. Look how beautiful. My goodness. Oh man, I'm so excited. Ah, so pretty. I feel like it's Christmas. It's a nice little note. And then a cute little card. Oh, it's got one side of it's got her artwork and the other side is one that we can color. I wonder if this is the same. That's really cool. Oh my goodness. Love it. Okay. So I've got, okay, all of the stuffs. Let's do Ticket to Dreams first. There's nice little stickers on the back, beautifully packaged. Set that aside for right now. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll just do a quick flip and it's signed on the inside. Oh, I'm so excited. Really super thick cardstock. This was published in 2017. Beautiful. I'm going to flip through this rather quickly. I know that there's flips available of these ones. These two, so beautiful. Ah, I cannot wait to put color to these. I'm stupidly excited. Feels the same way when I got the Circle of Life book. These are so pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I really like these. I did order Magic Hour as well, but that one is not, I couldn't get that from her shop because it was sold out. So I did have to order that one from Etsy, but that one is on its way too. That one creeps me out, but it's still cool. Man, I love this. That one's neat. I'll sit and read through all that stuff later. This one's cool. Huh. I am on a time limit here too because I'm getting ready. I have to go pick up kids and I want to look at my stuff and I want to share it with you guys. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love this page. My goodness. Love it. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. Yeah, I hope to get her brand new one too, but that one was still a little bit, it was a little pricier than these other ones were. I think because it's a hardbound book maybe. But I have seen these. That would be like a good one for the it could be like a mermaid for next month. This one I saw too. I thought was gorgeous. Oh, there's a mermaid. That one's a little weird, but I like that one. That would be so cool. Lucy was from Lucy Just Adds Color, when she was doing her flip through, she was talking about how, you know, her house was in several of these pictures, and this would be just a neat little place to live, just out in the middle of an island, on an island. Tiny little island. Love that one. All right, so there's that one. Next one, I've got things precariously stacked on the side over there. This one is Ticket to, nope, this one is Imaginary Friends. Make sure you guys are in frame. I think that's as close as I can get right now. Again, it's signed. I think this was the one that I really, really fell in love with. This book. These images, I think, are all single-sided, so you could totally use alcohol markers on these and not worry about ruining the page on the back. Yeah, I really like this one. I'll read that later. Ugh, so pretty. My goodness. Sorry, I'm speed flipping here. I want to get to the postcards because I have not seen those. I have seen flips of these. I really like this one. Oh my gosh. I love all of these. I had seen flips of these, but I had not seen the postcards yet, so I really want to get to those before I have to leave. That is so cute. Keep moving. Oh, I like that one too. And that one, geez. Okay, I'm going to stop saying I like that one because I like all of them so far. That's the one from the front cover. This one creeped me out. I remember seeing that on Lucy's flip through, and it's just blah, blah, blah. I don't like that one, but everything else so far has been good. Oh, I like that one. I even like that one. Gorgeous. Creepy and awesome. Your Mind Castle, Mind Palace. I don't know if anybody watches Sherlock, but that's what that reminded me of. This reminds me of Alice. That's pretty, really pretty. That one's really cool too. I like it. Bird Mansion. I don't like that one so much. That one's freaky. That one's cool. Really like glowy eyes. That would be neat. Beautiful unicorn. Another mermaid. A dolphin corn. Oh, wow. Really beautiful. I would love to have a cat big enough to do that with. So cute. badger with antlers, cute. Okay, so there's that one. That one is Imaginary Friends. And then I've got the 2 packs of postcards. So this one is the Spring Memories, which I thought was appropriate for right now. Trying not to rip it, but there is a sticker. Okay. I don't know how to open things. There. My goodness. All right. Oh, those are cute. Little Post-it notes. Are they Post-its? Yeah, they're sticky. It's perfect for leaving notes or marking pages. I didn't know those were in there. Well, that's sweet. And then here's the little postcard book. And they are bound. Oh, I might move you guys in closer. Hang on a second. Okay, now you can see a little bit better on this one. I'm going to read all through all this later, but these are super thick cardstock. Well, postcards. Really beautiful. I really like that one. That one's sweet. Reminds me of my daughter. She's got super curly hair and it's always crazy. I really love these. Oh, I like that one. Oh, that one's cute too. All right, so there's that one. That's the Spring Memories. And then let's open this winter one. Sorry about the shine. Here's the front. And then we will try to carefully remove. I didn't tear it this time. And this one comes with these. Oh, they're magnets. Oh, I love them. And these little stickers, and more stickers. I really like these magnets. Those are going on my fridge. Okay. So Winter Memories, and hopefully, oh, so she's got it here in, I guess, Polish. I think she's Polish. And then they're in English. Holy cow. Oh, I am so excited for this. These are beautiful. Love it. Oh, I love that. Just like Christmas fairies decorating the tree. Oh, wouldn't that be wonderful if that's how your tree actually got decorated? You just wake up and the Christmas fairies have come. Oh, that one's really pretty. Oh, these are little tags. Cute. So you can cut those out and punch the hole and use those tags as tags for your Oh, that one's really pretty. Super pretty. And that was the last one. So that's it. That's all my stuff. Yeah, so I got it in the mail and was super excited and wanted to share it with you guys. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.